All right. So today we have a topic. Okay. So let me share the screen first. One second. The screen is visible to you. The notepad
No,
is it visible to you?
no,
What?
अभी नहीं.
See, it's visible. See
It's visible now. It's visible now.
now. Tópicos falsos sobre las españoles.
Tópicos falsos sobre los españoles. Okay.
Sorry. Tópicos falsos sobre las españoles. Tópicos. So today we have a topic as tópicos. Repetir por favor. Tópicos. Repetir por favor.
Tópicos falsos
Tópicos. We have a topic.
sobre los
Very
españoles.
sobre is about. Sobre is about.
Sobre
Tópicos
is about
falsos sobre los españoles. Very simple. False
false
topics about
ideas
the
about
Spanish.
Spanish.
Is it clear to you? So we have
Yeah.
tópicos falsos sobre los españoles. Muchas. No, okay. All right. All right. So where's my notepad? Here is the notepad. 1 second.
Muchas personas
Muchas
tienen.
personas.
Many people have.
Exactamente, have, tienen, have una
Tienen
idea,
have una
idea
idea.
equivocada. Very important. Repeat after me. Repeat por favor. Equivocada. Very important. Equivocada is wrong. Wrong.
Wrong.
Equivocada.
Wrong.
Equivocada is wrong. Wrong.
Equivocada.
Equivocada.
Respecto a los españoles.
Yes. So over here we have equivocada. Respecto a los españoles. See, language is all about your sense. We cannot go for literary translation, right?
Exactly.
So in a sense, there's something like a higher module, which I'm going to explain to you because I just want that you will touch entire modules, right? Equivocada respecto is respect, but over here is not a respect. I'm saying wrong about the Spanish. Something which is wrong about the Spanish, which is don't respect the Spanish. So that is equivocada respecto a los españoles. So my whole agenda of this topic is, I'm repeating one more time, muchas personas, lot of people tienen,
Personas tienen una idea equivocada respecto a los españoles.
Many people
have
idea
wrong idea about the Spanish.
Yes, exactamente. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, now we have a next line, which is very, very important, and definitely there is some different vocabulary which we'll use in this. Okay. Over here, we are using the term es muy, repeat after me.
Es
After
muy
me. Es muy frecuente. It is very common. It is very frequently. If you say it is very frequently, it is very common. You will say es muy frecuente decir que. It is very common to say that. Now repetir por favor. Es muy frecuente decir que. Now you use in your term, in your language. What you use in your English. Or it is very common to say that. But now in Spanish, es muy frecuente decir que. Es muy frecuente decir que a todos los españoles les gustan las corridas de toros. Now,
it is very frequent.
All the Spaniards, les gusta, like the bullfighting. Corridas de toros.
We did this earlier.
We did this earlier? Okay.
Yeah, we did.
That's fine. We can repeat this, right? Because
yeah,
that's
we can repeat.
some
Yeah,
different
no
vocabulary. Es muy frecuente decir que. Es muy frecuente decir que a todos los españoles les gustan las corridas de toros. Corridas de toros, we call it bullfighting. Bullfight.
Bullfighting, yeah.
Okay.
Toros means, I think Toros means bull.
Yes, yes. Corrida. Repeat after me. Repetir, por favor. Corrida.
Okay, es muy
Corrida, we
frecuente
have a
decir
run.
que
Corrida.
a todos los
Corrida de toros.
españoles les gusta las corrida de toros.
Basically, we have verb
Bullfighting.
correr. Farhad bhai, we have verb
Yes,
correr. We have verb
fighting.
to run. No, run. But corrida de toros to run, running of the bull. No, that is a literal meaning is bullfighting. Is it clear to you?
Bullfighting. Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? 1 second.
It's
So now
clear to me.
repetir, por favor.
Es muy frecuente decir que a todos los españoles les gusta las corrida de toros. Okay, I'll start from the beginning. Tópicos falsos sobre los españoles. Muchas personas tienen una idea equivocada respecto a los españoles. Es muy frecuente decir que a todos los españoles les gusta las corridas de toros.
Yes. Now, if I will say that's not true at all. If I will say every Spaniards that they do not love bullfighting, my understanding says no. That's not true at all because there's some people that do not like bullfighting. So that's not true at all. So how to say in Spanish? Eso, that's not true. Eso no es del todo cierto. Eso no es del todo, todo is all. Cierto is right. Eso, now you have to practice like this. Now, what is language? You tell me, Farhad bhai. The language is all about a big sentence. You have to understand like how to speak. If you say, no, that's not true at all. Now you say, eso no es del. Eso no es del todo cierto.
Todo cierto. It's not correct at all.
Yes, eso no es del todo cierto. Eso no es del todo cierto. If I'm saying falsos sobre los españoles, the false topics, thinking about the Spanish people, muchas personas tienen una idea equivocada, is false respecto a los españoles. Es muy frecuente decir que it is very common that que a todos los españoles les gustan las corridas de toros, pero eso no es del todo cierto. This is
but it is not true at all.
Speak up, please. Repetir, por favor.
Okay. Es muy frecuente decir que a todos los españoles les gusta la corrida de toros. Eso no es del todo cierto.
Is it clear to you?
Es muy frecuente de decir que
just as al igual.
All equally que a todos los ingleses no les gusta el fútbol. Same as all English people do not like football.
Exactamente. Gustas las fútbol. Gustas el fútbol. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now, repetir por favor. Al igual
que a todos los ingleses no les gusta el fútbol.
Exactamente. A todos los españoles no tiene por qué gustarle las corridas de toros. A todos
los españoles no tiene por qué gustarle las corridas de toros.
Gustarle. They do not like gustarle. They do not like gustarle. Gustarle.
Gustarle.
Yes. Then I will say, de hecho, hay un gran número de españoles que están en contra de la celebración de las corridas de toro. Celebración. Very important.
Celebrate.
Yes. So I'm saying over here, de hecho. In fact, de hecho. Now you have to repeat like this. De hecho, in fact, de hecho. So it means, Farhad, if we have already done this, so it means practice is not there.
De hecho.
In fact, hay is there are
hay un gran número.
Hay un gran número. There are a large
number of Spanish people.
Yes.
Que están en contra de who prefer to celebrate
Who are is
Who are.
star conjugation. Who are
So yeah, está. Who are in
contra is your
contra.
against. Contra de la celebración de las
Yeah, they are
corridas
against
de
to
toros.
celebrate the bullfighting. They are against to this game of bullfighting.
Yes, exactamente. Clear? Y
Yeah.
no los considera su fiesta nacional. Y and no las considera,
No
does
doubts.
not consider. Y no las considera su
And it's
fiesta.
not consider it's a national festival. It's a national game.
Exactamente. Y no las considera su fiesta
They do not
nacional.
consider su fiesta means festival or game or
It's
event.
festival, yes. They do not consider
Nacional is
them as
national.
yes, it's national holiday. Is it clear? National festival, sorry.
Yeah.
Ellos consideran que deberían de estar prohibidas. You know, prohibidas is prohibited. Prohibidas porque
Prohibited,
el
yeah.
animal sufre. Wow. Vale. Okay.
Pero de españoles que están en okay, no. Okay,
Ellos consideran, they
consider
considerar is my verb, considerar is my
que
verb to consider.
deberían de estar prohibidas porque el animal sufre.
sufre.
Animal sufre. In
Animal
fact,
suffers.
they consider it's a
It should be deberían.
ban.
Deber verb.
Deberían.
Deberían. It should be. It should be deberían.
It should be prohibited. It should be banned as it is against animal
suffer. It is
suffer. Yeah.
because the animal
Or
suffer.
because it is against animal suffering.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now I will say tampoco. Repetir por favor.
Tampoco a todos les gusta el flamenco.
Exactamente. So
flamenco.
Yes,
tampoco españoles les gusta flamenco.
We use either. Tampoco. We use either. Ni tampoco, neither. So tampoco we use as an either. Tampoco.
Either.
Tampoco a todos las españoles.
Les gusta like flamenco. Flamenco is also a game there.
Yes. Either a todos los españoles.
Okay. A lot of Spanish prefer
yes,
like
not
flamenco.
All Spanish. Yes, not all Spanish like flamenco either. Is it clear to you?
Either. Yeah.
Now we have next we have solo una pequeña parte de los españoles escucha flamenco. Very super, very good. So now over here he is using solo, only.
Solo una only a little part.
Little small part of Spanish.
Small part of Spanish.
Escucha, listen.
Escucha.
Listen flamenco. They listen flamenco. Is it clear to you?
Flamenco.
Now, por ejemplo, hay muchos más españoles que escuchan pop y rock inglés que flamenco. Now, what is this? Por example, hay muchos there are
más españoles. There are many Spanish people who listen pop and
listen English pop
and rock.
There are flamenco. Then there are K. Then comparison. K. Then thereof K. K we use for comparison also. K.
Yeah, instead of flamenco.
Yes. K we use for comparison also.
Yeah.
El flamenco se escucha y se practica. Sobre todo, very important, in Andalusia. Very important, Andalusia. Yes, there's something like the Spanish thing. Is saying the flamenco is heard. Say escucha is heard. Y se practica and practiced.
As a practice, sobre todo
is especially. Sobre todo is especially, you know, especially sobre todo. Sobre todo. Remember one thing, sobre todo is, you know, especially,
Especially
sobre todo.
Andalusia. Andalusia is a part of Spain.
Yes, yes. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So over here you have vocab for sobre todo. Sobre todo
Todo.
is
Yeah.
especially. Is it clear to you?
Especially.
Then I will say en el sur de España. En el
In el sur
the
de
south of the
España,
Spain. Sur in the south of the Spain. Okay.
in the south of Spain, in el
I
sur de.
I must office very important. I must aficionados very important. Aficionados, pero menos de lo que la gente piensa. Very important. Okay, first I
In
will.
the south of Spain,
I, it means there are más,
no, to
más
see.
aficionados. Aficionados is your fans, you know, your fan lovers, followers. There are more fans.
There are many.
I, one I is there are HY, then an ALL is there only. So I'm saying there are there are HY. There are there are más aficionados, more fans there. ALL. Is it clear? So
Aficionados.
I más aficionados. I más aficionados. Is it clear to there?
Aficionados.
There are
There are more
that
fans
I
there.
is there, waha, and HYI is there are. There are more
There
fans there. I más aficionados. Is it clear to you?
I aficionados.
Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yeah.
Pero menos de lo que la gente piensa. But
Pero,
menos, less de lo que,
Mino,
less than people think. Piensa. Pero hay más
menos
aficionados. There is a lot of fans. There are a lot of fans there, but less people,
piensa.
less than people think. Menos less de lo que la gente piensa. Es piensa. The verb pensar, Farad bhai. Pensar,
Piensa.
pensar verb. Yo pienso, tú piensas.
Pensar means is to think.
Yes, because have you done piensa, pensar verb? My E is converted into I.
Yeah. Piensa, I did.
Piensas, pensemos.
Piensa, and for nosotros it would be pensemos. For vosotros penséis, and for ellos ellas piensan.
Yes, piensan. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? So this is your basically your term. So I'm reading one more time this term. Okay, let me open the notepad, and you have to repeat first. Okay,
I'll repeat it. Tópicos falsos sobre los españoles. Muchas personas tienen una idea equivocada respecto a los españoles. Es muy frecuente decir que a todos los españoles les gustan las corridas de toros. Eso no es del todo cierto. Al igual que a todos los ingleses no les gusta el fútbol. A todos los españoles no tiene por qué gustarle las corridas de toros. De hecho, hay un gran número de españoles que están en contra de la celebración de las corridas de toros y no las considera su fiesta nacional. Scroll it down.
Okay.
Scroll it down. Okay. Ellos consideran que deberían de estar prohibidas porque el animal sufre. Tampoco a todos los españoles les gusta el flamenco. Solo una pequeña parte de los españoles escucha flamenco. Por ejemplo, hay mucho hay muchos más españoles que ejemplo. Por
Mhm.
ejemplo, hay muchos más españoles que escuchan pop y rock inglés que flamenco. El flamenco se escucha y se practica sobre todo en Andalucía. En el sur de España hay más aficionados, pero menos de lo que la gente piensa.
Is it clear to you, Farad bhai? Clear?
Yes, bhai.
So let's repeat this, the vocab we have used over here. Is it clear to you?
Okay, vocab.
Tell me what
Yeah.
vocab we have used over here.
Sobre todo,
Yes, especially. Okay.
especially, okay, es sobre todo,
Mm-hmm.
and aficionados,
Mm-hmm. Fans, very good.
and okay, and for Español, we have done prohibidas,
Mm-hmm.
prohibited,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and yeah, no, pero no de gente piensa, no,
Mm-hmm.
that's a verb. These are the main adjectives we did.
Right?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay. So that how your language works. Right. Okay. So I'm going to share a new link. Okay. And this session is under recording. So I'm going to share a new link. I'm going to disconnect this phone call. I'm going to share a new link. Right. So that there will be a different topic in a recording. Right.
Okay.